they got to America. They got to Castle Garden, sorry, and they were sent, because they were poor immigrants, over to Ellis Island. And Zayda came to pick them up, and he was standing at the cages up above, and he looked down. Finally, in the long lines of immigrants standing at the tables in the main hall, he saw her, and he said, "Rivka, Rivka, wie sind die Kinder? Where are the children, Rivka?" And she has 5 of them after all. "Yeah." And he said, "So young?" He expected them to be grown up and to work, to help him out. But they wouldn't let him take them, because she didn't have a marriage certificate. She only had a ketubah. So they said she wasn't really married to him. They took all the children and her and him into a separate room, and they had a justice of the peace, and the children watched while the parents were married. That's how they came to America.